Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to the study about these sources. Last class, we are already studied about this. The sources. There are two types: literal sources and archaeological sources. In this class, we are going to the study about these archaeological sources. The archaeological sources, they are divided into the four types: the inscriptions, coins, monuments, and other ruins. Let us study about this study of inscriptions. Inscriptions, yes, and inscription. How we are getting of this? The inscriptions are the written on the stone, rock, metal, ivory, and other materials like the Harappa and civilization. Harappa civilization. The Harappa civilization. We are already know about the Harappa civilization. हड़प्पा में क्या था कि पहले क्या थे वहाँ पे एक आबादी रहती थी. They are living the people. Yes, and how we are getting the information about this, the Harappa civilization, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. About this, the study of the inscription which has the provide the information about this, the religious, culture, economy, administration, and other aspect of this trade. And when they are the start of the railway line, they are the getting about is the Harappa civilization people. And the Ashoka's inscription, which was the first inscription of this India, they are the found in India. Found in India, and the Brahmini script, and their language in Prakrit, thousands of inscriptions are found in Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Sanskrit, and Prakrit language. The many of the people, they are the using of this which language they are the using. In this language they are the written on this inscription. Yes, Indian inscription, the Samudra Gupta's inscription, Allahabad pillar inscription, and Imodi Pulekeshi Aihole inscription. We are getting over this inscription. And next one, the study of coins. The study of the coins is known as the numismatics, and coin help to understand the trade, dynasty, economic condition, and religious script, language, etc. Yes, in that coin, for example, I have the 2 rupees coins. Yes, I have the 2 rupees coin. In this coin, you will know there was the in 1992. ये क्या कर कॉइन कब बनाया गया है? 1992 के अंदर बनाया गया है. इन दिस कॉइन देयर वाज द इंडिया मैप, एंड हियर द अशोकास, द सिंबल. देखा है अशोका के क्या है यहाँ पर सिंबल लिखा है. हाउ after the 10 year, after the for example 100 years or 200 years, 300 or 1000 years, if we will get this coin, we will understand it is the India's coin, and the coin was built in 1992. At a time they are the using of the symbol of this Ashoka. Yes, and the Samudra Gupta had the 7 different type of coins. In the Samudra Gupta, he was the 7 type different. There are the 7 types of coins, and there are the 3 types. In that, the coins have the 3 types: the gold coins, silver coin, and copper coins. Yes, he was the using of this the 3 coins. In that, the gold coin, silver coin, and copper coin. Yes, how we are getting about this the coins? For example, if any person he was the using of the gold coins, we can now hear the rich empire. For example, we have the lot of gold. That means we are the rich person. For like this, the dynasty have, if they are using of the gold coin, they are the rich. And after that is the silver and copper coin, they are the medium. Yes, and middle and lower status of this the kingdom. After we are getting about it from this coin. And study of the monuments. Yes, what is the meaning of monuments? Yadgar. Yes, Yadgar. For example, for the monuments, yes, monuments are the major source to write the history. Palace, we know about the palace. The Bangalore Palace is there, Mysore Palace is there, पैलेस जो क्या है बड़ा महल रहता है. टेम्पल्स, देर आर द मेनी ऑफ दिस द टेम्पल, द ओल्ड टेम्पल जो क्या कहते हैं पत्थर से वगैरह क्या किए वहां से बनाए हुए हैं. हाँ, टेम्पल्स एंड फोर्ट्स. फोर्ट्स मीन्स जहां पर राजा महाराजा क्या करते थे रहते, इसको क्या फोर्ट्स कहते थे. जहां पर क्या करते उसकी एक जो उनका अंपायर रहता था, अंपायर के पीछे क्या करते थे वो दीवार रहती थी, वो क्या करता था किला जिसको कहते हैं, इसको कौन से फोर्ट, पिलर एक्सेट्रा आर द मोन्यूमेंट्स ओनली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गोल गुम्बद आर द एविडेंस ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. वी आर ऑलरेडी नो द गोल गुम्बद. एट a time there also the science and technology. इन द गोल गुम्बद इसकी क्या खासियत है? इफ एनी पर्सन यू आर द साउंड, एक मरतबा क्या आवाज निकालेंगे तो क्या करते हैं 7 मरतबा आवाज निकाल. इट इज द साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. फॉर वी आर गोइंग टू द टूर फॉर दिस द मोन्यूमेंट्स, द हिस्टोरिकल पैलेस. वी आर गोइंग टू द पे टूर और पिकनिक इज द. एंड नेक्स्ट वन द शाहजहां ताजमहल टेल द स्टोरी ऑफ लव. You already know about the Shahjahan built a Taj Mahal for his wife Mumtaz Mahal for this love. ये क्या करते हैं जब इसकी मौत हो गई तो क्या किया ये शाहजहां ने ताजमहल उसके याद में बना दिया. It was the tell the story of this the love. The monument still is there. वहां पर क्या अभी भी है. And the madrasa built the Gawan and Bidar. Here's the Muhammad Gawan, he was the built a madrasa for the education, for girls education. He also is there. ये क्या करते हैं, इससे क्या करते हैं स्टडी ऑफ द मोन्यूमेंट. ये क्या करते हैं हमें यादगार मिलते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट द अदर रुइंस. अदर रुइंस क्या करते हैं जो कॉलेप्स, जो क्या करते हैं बिल्डिंग टूट गई है, इसको कहते हैं अदर रुइंस. बेस्ड ऑन द वेरियस ऑफ द पीस एंड बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स, बैंगल्स, बीट, कॉलेज बिल्डिंग, seal. ये करते हैं कॉलेज बिल्डिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल if we are going to the Mysore there are the one building is there. is the टीपू सुल्तान का जहाँ पर जेल है वहां पर एक बिल्डिंग है, कॉलेप्स हो गई है यानी घिर गई है. वो क्या करते हैं अभी भी रखी हुई है. क्या है वो भी एक यादगार है, उससे क्या करते हैं हमें हिस्ट्री मालूम पड़ती है. एंड द बेंगल जो क्या करते हैं बंगड़ी, वो क्या करते उससे भी क्या करते हैं हमें एक हिस्ट्री मिलती है. बेंगल, कॉलेज बिल्डिंग. एंड during the examination we can understand the socio culture and economic, political, religious life of this people. And the biological ruins, death, animals, bird and tree